Okay, the next lesson's about exponents. Let's just jump right in. I'm trying to be a lot more expedient with this video series because you're just trying to find the delta between ES5 all the way up to ES12. So let's just get right into it. So exponents. Before, if we wanted to see what like the square of a number is, we would usually do some math function. So we could do let old square equal math.pow. The first parameter is the base, and then the second parameter is what exponent you want to raise that to. So if we want to square it, 2. Let's log that and see if we got it right. Yep, 3 times 3 is 9. The new way to do it, much easier, is to do base and then times, and then your exponent. Let's update these variable names. There you go, 9. In that example I just did, I hard coded some of those variables, but all of it can be a variable. So we could say like constant, the factor equals 10, and then constant, the exponent itself is another variable. And then we'll do the result, constant result equals factor to the exponent. Let's log that. 1000, that's right. 10 cubed is 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 is 1000. I just wanted to show that both sides can be variables. And then finally, I want to show you that you can also do this with immediate assignment. If I do let x equals 10 and I say x times equals 3 and then log x again, I get 30. Oh, because I said 10 times 3, that's 30. But if I put times equals 3, that means 10 to the power of 3. There's that 1000 again. Cool.